let's go. I think this was better. Hello there everyone, welcome to DM Carvies. Today we are driving a 2003 Jaguar S-Type R in our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Loudoun Motor Cars of Leesburg, Virginia for providing me this car. Let's fire up this beast and go take a look outside and then take it for a drive. Look at this beast. They just don't make cars like this anymore. A supercharged V8, the British style. I gotta say, the styling hasn't even changed since the 70s on these. They've always looked aggressive and very unique, like you couldn't mess it up with any other car on the road. What a stunning machine. Unfortunately, the weather's not the best today, but oh well, we have to make do with what we have. Materials here are soft. Let's hop in the back. I'm 6'2", and it actually feels comfortable. There is decent space in as far as headroom. A little bit tight on the legroom, but not bad. Nice headliner, armrest, and I really like the way the window like the profile curves here for the window. Trunk space isn't too big. It is very narrow and short, but you can still fit in a couple of suitcases here. Still does the job well. I'm guessing with cars of that era, all of their trunks were something like this, I'm guessing. Let's try to open the hood. See what's here. Okay, I'm guessing it's somewhere here. Now, nope. Now this is gonna be the real question, is how do you open this? Right here. There we go. Look at that. Supercharged Jag. Bam. Let's go hop inside. It is raining. Let's close the window, pop down the AC a bit. AC is ice cold, love it. All right, so here we have our glove box, airbag, some more storage with a power outlet and 2 cup holders, slidable armrest, sunroof, visor, glasses holder, all the lights work, auto dimming mirror. Horn test. We got our CD player, heated seats. All right, let's take this beast out for a drive. Let's check its U-turn radius. It's actually very nice and tight. It's just this lane is very small. I love the seating position and how you can see the Jaguar badge. I think that is super lit. You can immediately feel that this is a big engine. It's got some nice pull to it right away. Visibility is good. Seats are very comfy. And I like the steering wheel, it feels nice in my hands. glides comfortably. I love the ride. It's very smooth, but you can still feel the road. Alrighty. There's plenty of torque from this powertrain. Probably has a sport mode too. Let's see if, yeah, sport now is activated. Car is warmed up, so that is good. It's quick and tail happy in this weather, so we're gonna have to be more careful with our throttle because the road is a little bit wet from the rain. Let's come out here. Handling feels good, tight. I just wish it wasn't this wet today so we could put the power down better. Yeah, can't really do anything. It just cuts the power right away. Gliding at 70 feels effortless. With these cars, make sure to never add throttle when you're going into a turn, because that is how you just crash. But it rides so nice. It's crazy. Whoa. No, seriously, this thing has some pull to it. Love the power here. So good. They're at it. They are at it. far as doing 0 to 60, it is going to be difficult to perform that acceleration with these conditions, unfortunately, but you know, we'll still give it a shot. Who knows, maybe we'll be able to do something somewhat decent. I'm obviously not too worried about the actual 0 to 60, more about the trap speed on the 1/8 mile, because that will show us how good the performance here is. But from what I can see, this car's got only 82,000 miles. It's running beautifully, very healthy. Transmission works butter smooth. I love it. I really love it. Start to slow down. The turn-in feels nice. Yeah, the brakes do not like this wet weather, I'll tell you that right now. But let's turn around and go on with our test drive. Now we will do a 0 to 60 test up ahead once we get some straight road in our usual spot. Unfortunately, traffic today is a little bit heavier, which is never the best, but that's okay. Actually, the road here is getting better, I think. Becoming more dry. Yeah, that's good. Means we'll be able to do a 0 to 60 test, hopefully. Because it is so hot and dry, like so hot outside and the road is so like hot, I feel like the water is just drying up really quickly. But it's definitely not wet. All right. Three, two, one. Let's go. I think this was better. 6.3. Yes. Yes, this was better. For sure. This was much better. We did 0 to 60 in 6.27 seconds valid, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 6.6, and the 1/8 mile came in 9.43 at 77.34. So there you go. And let's see what we got over here. History, drag, and here we did 9.74 to 78.53. So very good. Yeah, I'm very happy with these times. So we're gonna wrap it up at that. I don't think we got to go any more on the testing. I think you did great in this weather. Very nice car.